Hello. In this short lecture I will try to answer on two questions. The first question is how the universe was created, and the second question is if the universe was created from nothing, then who created nothing? The answer to the first question, how the universe was created, is that the universe was created in two stages. In the first stage, there was nothing in the universe, and the basic elements were created. And in the second stage, the stage of the Big Bang, all the elements, the stars, and the galaxies were created. So I will return now to the first stage and I will explain what is nothing. Actually, nothing is defined as quantum fluctuations. And those quantum fluctuations are actually a change in the amount of energy in a point in the space. Okay, and from that changes, virtual particles can be created. And from that virtual particles, real particles can be created. And from real particles, basic elements can be created. So that is the first stage in the creation of the universe. The second stage in the creation of the universe is actually the Big Bang stage, and in this stage all the matter in the universe was concentrated in a small dense point. The density of that point was actually infinite, and from that reason it exploded, and in that way all the elements, the stars and the galaxies were created. Okay, so that is the two stages of the creation of the universe. Okay, so and the answer to the second question, who created nothing, is very simple. Nothing, as I already said, it is a quantum fluctuations. That nothing was never created because it always existed. Okay, so we can summarize the short lecture and say that the universe was created in two stages. The first stage is the creation of the basic elements when there was nothing in the universe, and nothing is the quantum fluctuations. And the second stage in the creation of the universe is the Big Bang, when the elements, the stars and the galaxies were created. And the nothing, that is quantum fluctuations, was never created because it always existed. Okay, thank you very much.